This video is for educational purposes.
Deloitte has opened up an exciting off-campus opportunity for freshers, hiring for the fresher analyst position, which is an entry-level engineering role. In this position, you will support the cloud and DevOps teams in day-to-day activities. Your work will focus on learning the fundamentals of cloud technology, assisting with basic configuration and support tasks, and gaining hands-on experience with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure under close mentorship. The role will have you working on tasks such as setting up and monitoring cloud resources, handling basic user access requests, troubleshooting common cloud issues, participating in cloud-based deployment processes, maintaining documentation, performing health checks, and learning DevOps basics like CI/CD pipelines and version control. The ideal candidate should have a basic understanding of cloud computing concepts, enthusiasm for learning, clear communication skills in English, and the ability to follow procedures. Candidates with 0 to 1 year of professional experience, internships or certifications are helpful, and a bachelor's or master's in computer science, information technology, or a related field are encouraged to apply. The job is located in Hyderabad, and Deloitte is seeking motivated individuals eager to improve their skills and grow in a supportive team environment. To improve your chances of getting your resume shortlisted, focus on optimizing your resume with key terms like AWS, Azure, CI/CD, Linux, and DevOps, and mention any related projects or certifications. How to apply? Just simply click on the apply link which I have provided you in the description box. First application process page will come, and if you are new, then simply click on the create profile and you will be redirected to the new page where you have to submit your basic details along with your resume. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. For daily job alerts, do visit foundthejob.com. See you in the next video.